Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to deploy a chatbot application using the LangChain framework, and I'm using a Google Cloud Gemini 1.5 Pro and the Google Generative AI embedding model. So this particular Python script, let me zoom in 1 second. Okay, so this Python script creates an interactive chatbot app using the Streamlight and Retrieval-Augmented generation RAG. The chatbot retrieves relevant information from a PDF document and generates accurate response using the Google Gemini AI. So how it works? You have seen the Streamlit as a ST, which basically create the web-based chatbot interface. Then we are importing the LangChain libraries, which help in document processing and embedding and the AI interaction. Then we have something called Google Generative AI embedding, which basically use the Google AI, Gemini AI to generate the response. We are using the Chroma as a to store and retrieve the vector store database. Um, and then we are importing some of the chat prompt templates, and we are loading the environmental variable like API keys in the .env files. Then we are loading the the PDF document. The PDF file is called Airtel PDF, which is nothing. It's my phone bill, and then I am loading it into the data variable. um, so I extract the text content from this document only. Now we are splitting the document into the chunks, so we are using the text splitter variable. And since AI model works better with the small chunks of text, we split the PDF into the piece of 1000 character, and this ensure efficient processing and the retrieval. Then we are creating the vector database for the search. So we are using the basically the extracted text is converted into the embedding, and using the Google AI embedding model. The vectors are stored into the Chroma database. Uh, um, so here we are using the Chroma database. So now the next is we are actually defining the system prompts. Sorry, here is the query. We are basically saying the chat input is say something, and the prompt is feeding from the query. So the system prompt is an instruction to the AI on how it should behave, and then answer only using the retrieved content. Then we have the chat interface. Users enter their questions in the chat input box, and then we have a generating the response. If the user enters a questions, it basically it find the relevant document piece are retrieved from the PDF, and the AI model Gemini use those pieces to generate the answer. So let's see in this action. Let me deploy this particular application here. So since we are using this Streamlit, 1 second, I think it's already, yeah, it's already running. Let me just stop it and run it from the scratch. Oh, sorry, maybe. So if you see here, um, my application, the chatbot application is running, and let me ask some questions. So right now, if you see, I have the airtel.pdf document, which is nothing, is my phone bill. So I'm going to ask some question relevant to particularly to this document. So if I say, um, what was my last bill? Please summarize it. So the query is basically retrieving the particular chunks of the document or the content of the document. So you see that your last bill amount is this. This include and all this, and the billing period. So if you look at this particular document, if you look at this particular document, the all the necessary informations are coming from here. So we see in the total bill is 765. So if you see here, um, what was that? Yeah, 765. So all this information can be retrieved from here. Maybe last payment link. Yeah, so if I'm asking the payment link, so it coming up with the response that this is the link that you can use to pay the bill. So all those necessary information is can be retrieved using the RAG. So the query is basically going to the vector database, the database where my content or the embedding of these particular documents are stored, and then the in the generation process, what it does, it takes the combination of the retrieval content plus the user's query, and then feed it to the LLM model, which in our case is the Gemini, and then it respond to the client to the final answer. So this is how you can create a sample application using the LangChain framework and test your RAG demo. Thank you.